Any questions, anything anybody want to say? Anybody that, tracks their goals and their reflect? Anybody went to the goal setting class last year and want to tell people it benefited them or they lost track of it? Any masterminds want to help another mastermind?
Well, I know for me last year, when I did the master class of goal setting, um, it was powerful for me because it was really like got me to really focus and to follow through on things that I was planning out for the year, and also helped me to be accountable. And so it also started putting like a vision. Like I basically created a vision board, but on my wall, in my bedroom wall. So I was just taping stuff up that I wanted to accomplish and everything else like that. And then by the end of the year, I pretty much accomplished quite a bit of it. I didn't accomplish everything,
Right.
but I accomplished a lot more than I expected. So the accountability, the master class of goal setting was very, very helpful. And the one you just had was great. So looking forward to
Yeah.
knocking that out again.
See, I appreciate that, Mo. And the last one, I think it was, it was a whole day. And so we actually stopped and, people actually wrote things. And then it was like, the people that wanted it, you're going to check it and follow it. But most people, they'll start it and they'll stop. And I'm telling you that because I don't want you guys to be like most people, right? If you can keep track, just write it down and complete it. And then if you don't follow back up on it, it's fine. But at least you have it there where you can review it midway through the year, and it'll remotivate you if you lost track of it. But like I try to do it a daily thing. The mastermind, the morning formula, it is a daily thing. I believe in it 1,000%. As a kid, we used to dream and have all these goals. And as we get older, we stop dreaming and we stop having goals and we stop using our imagination. And it takes away a lot. Intuition, right? People get so beat up in life that they stop using their intuition, right? And things just happen to them, right? And stop happening for them. So for the mastermind, for me, it is I want guys to want to share and help and inspire people, and also want them to see that, there is people that are living happily ever after, right? And they're satisfied. They don't live perfect, but they are satisfied with life, right? And good things are happening. Mm-hmm. And you set your attention that, hey, you want good things to happen, and here's the things I planned out. 80% of the population, they stop even dreaming, or they stop even, desiring and caring about things. That's how we lose. That's how I gain weight, right? You stop caring about working out, right? And then it's like something hit you, and then you wake back up.
Mm-hmm. Right. Can I add one more thing, brother?
Yeah, 1,000 more things.
also with the goal setting is that you got to struggle with trying to accomplish your goals, which is fine. But the key thing is that you don't give up, and just remember that you can always change the date. So if you had a 3-month date to accomplish a goal and you didn't reach it, you can just push it back another month or two to give you some time to get it done. So don't beat yourself up over that.
Well, and that's a good add, Mo. And another thing is that when you actually plan it out subconsciously, you actually start working towards it. And sometimes it happens without you even, knowing how it happened, right? So some of the goals and the visions we have when it's like, hey, I'm going to make, 500,000, like if you believe you can do it, right? It may come in a different form than you had planned it, but your energy and your vibe is working towards it. And maybe you get redirected halfway through it, right? And that is, but you had a plan for it. And subconsciously, you're working toward that plan. When you guys don't do anything, you do feel guilty, and is in the back of your mind that you had that goal. So maybe it don't happen in the right time, but you written down, and it was a plan. When you go build a house, sometimes you can't account for when it rained, and you got to stop. And you still, when it stopped raining, you got to go back to the house and finish that framing part of it or whatever. It's the same thing happened with our lives, right? And over a period of time, like I'll write all these goals, and if I hit 70% of them, right, and then I carry it on to next year, it's still there, right? I'm still in process, And then now you know you have a journey and you're working towards something. Right? You get frustrated when you just getting hit, slapped left and right, and you don't know which way you're going. But when you can get back up and says, hey, you know, I'm still going towards that where I was initially planning to go. Right? You get sidetracked. You know, everybody's on a journey. In trading, especially, right? Nobody here expects to take a big loss that throws them back. But it's like, how do you respond to it? All right. So on that note, hey, you know, man, it's the best thing that I do every year with my family, by myself. So that's why I'm stressing it out, because, you know, it basically, it makes my year complete when I put it down and I start off the year with a plan. Right? I get sidetracked and I get opportunities thrown at me, but it's the daily focus of, you know, what's my intention for the day? You know, what am I working forward towards? You know, who do I need to see and spend time with? Right? It keeps me focused. You know, my anchor is my family. And family and friends, because then DCG, like I haven't went through a day in my life where I haven't been involved in DCG since we started. So, you know, it's something that it's part of, it's, you know, it's real. It's part of your life. All right, so plan it out. And on that note, the motivation is over. Hey, in January, y'all want me hear me talking about this? We'll be 100% trade. All right. On that note, peace out, y'all. I'll see you on a profit call, talking trading on that call on Wednesday.